Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You want to start by softening the glue so the sticker lifts cleanly. First, wipe the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove dust and oils. This improves heat transfer. Then, apply a hair dryer on medium for about 30 to 45 seconds, moving it in small circles so the adhesive warms evenly. Once done, use your fingernail, a plastic card, or a thin guitar pick to lift one corner slowly. You will feel the adhesive give when it's ready, so keep steady pressure and avoid quick tugs. You should peel slowly at a low angle, almost parallel to the surface, because that reduces stress and prevents tearing. Keep a steady hand, and if the sticker resists or shreds, pause and reapply heat for 10 to 20 seconds to relax the adhesive again. Once removed, look closely for sticky residue. Small bits mean the glue stayed behind, so do not force scraping. Make sure to work methodically across the sticker to preserve the underlying finish and maintain control throughout the process. You'll finish by eliminating any remaining adhesive and restoring the surface. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover, vegetable oil, or rubbing alcohol to the residue and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the solvent penetrates. Then wipe with a microfiber cloth and, if needed, use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift stubborn bits. Once clean, wash the area with warm, soapy water and dry. If things go wrong, test your chosen remover in a hidden spot first to avoid discoloration or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.